Hello, I'm Hannah Primrose and I'm making this video about cultural competence. So, what does it mean to be a culturally competent educator? Many of times, my classroom or like my future classroom will be multicultural, which means it will have more than one culture in a group. So culturally competent educator has the ability to positively impact students who have different cultures. And it's also formed from basic knowledge of many cultures with the attitude of embracing different cultures or diversity. And I plan on becoming a culturally competent educator in my future. Diversity is just individuals with different race, ethnicity, and culture. Where do I think I am on the culturally competent continuum chart? I think I'm in the pre-competence part because I have thought and done some research on different cultures, but haven't thoroughly learned or done too much research on it. Some of the controversies that I think support my answer are that I believe that school should teach more about other races' academic achievements along with the ones that are already taught. I also believe schools should teach more about puberty and sexuality, and I believe girls should not have a strict dress code. So some of the steps that I think I'll have to take to get to the next level is really further educate myself about these different cultures, whether it be through videos or books or research or like traveling to like different countries. I just need to look further and learn more about the different cultures. Another aspect I think I'll have to do is really self-reflect, maybe ask a friend that I know who has a different culture and ask them questions. Also, another way is to self-reflect about myself and like understand what biases I have and what culture I have and how that might affect other cultures and the importance of being open to other cultures. For my future classroom, I plan on implementing parts of different cultures into the class, whether it be like through like implementing like little language learning for the kids or just like maybe food from like different cultures or like different practices they do, like different like hellos or whatnot, just to get kids, my students, to be thinking about different cultures. I also plan on learning more and respecting cultures and learning how to respect the different cultures in my classroom, all to gain that cultural competence. So my plan of insurance, I plan to check myself, which means just flipping who I'm responding to, whether it be like boy, girl, like white, black. I just flip who I'm responding to and see what my response is. I also plan on keeping an open mind and be ready to learn new things and self-reflect if I on my biases, and just to check and see if I'm actually using those biases in the classroom and become more aware of them. And these are my references. Thank you.